So I am aware that there are grocery stores in other parts of the country besides just my hometown. And yes, we can stop at the grocery store. So your fruit and vegetables are going to last longer if they're not cut into, but also people use them less if they're not cut into. So do some cut and some ready. You're also noticing me use a lot of plastic bags. The reason why is because everything takes up a lot less space in the plastic bags, and some of these bags I can reuse. But they use up a lot less space, and then I can throw them out. They use a lot less space in the trash as well. Also, okay, so here's all our meals. Let's see. I've got fondue for date night. We've got some enchiladas and some tamales and some taco meat and manwich and meatloaf and potatoes, some fried rice. We're going out for pizza one night. Yay! Breakfast, eggs, biscuits. We got spaghetti sauce. We got Boilermaker chili. This is how I organize my meal planning for RV trips. On my phone, I use the Notes app. I have a folder for RV trips. I have a list just for food setup. I have a list of items to put in the RV from the house. I add a check mark when I have taken care of each item. I have a list of food to prepare at home before we go. I don't prepare everything. These are just options. When I do prepare it, I add a check mark. So I just got finished making lasagna. I add the check mark in the prepared section. Below that, I have a list of the meal options for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. Lasagna is in the dinner meal section. I click the check mark there as well. All these check marks show which meals I have made, so these are the meals that are available to eat during that trip. When we finish that meal, it's no longer available. I simply remove the check mark. The next day, when we go to decide what we're having for dinner, it's only the meals that still have a check mark that are available to eat. Easy to see, easy to manage. Get out this door for a lifetime of trips. And yes, we can stop at the grocery store, but again, we're trying to minimize how many times we have to go, and this is trying to get away from it all, like away from civilization.